This is Blackjack. Hey, Blackjack. Blackjack's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Oh, you're showing me that lovely tail. Yes, a big furry tail. You're a handsome dude, aren't you, Blackjack? So Blackjack's here in a room with other kitties. You like other kitties, Especially Echo. Where's Echo? I don't see Echo at the moment. Oh, hi, Magenta. Hello, Blackjack. You're a cute one. You're just over around greeting everybody, aren't you? Just showing me around your room. Aww. Hi there. I need a dangly toy to play with you, don't I? You like dangly toys. What a tiny kitty you are, huh? You're purring. You're purring. Yeah, you're purring. He's purring. You're a sweetie. Yes, you are, Blackjack. Bye-bye. Let's end on a better note. There we go. Okay, ciao.